Every engine has its unsung heroes, components that tirelessly work behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly, efficiently, and cleanly. Often overlooked, but absolutely critical, is a system that tackles a dirty secret of internal combustion, the positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV system. It's a humble setup, yet without it, your engine's health, longevity, and even the air we breathe would be significantly compromised. Today, we're diving deep into this hidden champion to understand its vital role, recognize the signs of trouble, and empower you with the knowledge to maintain it. At its core, an internal combustion engine is a meticulously controlled series of explosions. As the pistons move up and down, compressing and igniting the air-fuel mixture, some of the combustion gases invariably escape past the piston rings and into the crankcase. This phenomenon is known as blow-by. These gases aren't benign. They're hot, acidic, and contain unburnt fuel vapors, creating pressure within the sealed engine environment. Before the advent of the PCV system, this crankcase pressure and the corrosive gases were a major problem. Early engines simply vented these gases directly to the atmosphere through a road draft tube. This was effective at relieving pressure but had a devastating environmental impact, spewing hydrocarbons and other pollutants directly into the air. More importantly, without proper ventilation, the accumulated gases and moisture inside the crankcase led to sludge formation, accelerated oil degradation, and increased wear on internal engine components, severely shortening engine life. The PCV system was a revolutionary step forward, first widely adopted in the 1960s, driven by early emissions regulations. Its primary purpose is twofold: to vent those harmful blow-by gases from the crankcase and to route them back into the engine's intake manifold to be reburned. This not only prevents pollution but also actively cleanses the crankcase, maintaining the quality of your engine oil and extending the life of crucial components. So, how does this hidden hero work its magic? The PCV system creates a continuous flow of fresh air through the crankcase. Air from the air cleaner enters the engine, passes through the crankcase, picks up the blow-by gases, and then exits through the PCV valve. From there, these contaminated gases are drawn into the intake manifold, where they mix with the fresh air-fuel charge and are combusted in the cylinders. This constant scavenging action ensures a clean internal environment. The heart of the system is the PCV valve itself. This small, often inexpensive, one-way valve is far more sophisticated than it looks. It's designed to regulate the flow of crankcase gases into the intake manifold, adjusting the ventilation rate based on engine vacuum. Without this valve, or if it malfunctions, the entire system can be thrown off balance. Under different engine operating conditions, the PCV valve behaves differently. At idle, when engine vacuum is high, the valve restricts flow to prevent a lean air-fuel mixture. During acceleration, when vacuum is lower and blow-by is higher, the valve opens further to allow for greater ventilation. This intelligent design ensures optimal crankcase ventilation while maintaining the correct air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion and reduced emissions. Considering its critical role, it's easy to see why maintaining your PCV system is paramount. A properly functioning PCV system directly contributes to lower emissions by preventing harmful gases from escaping into the atmosphere. More importantly for your wallet and your engine, it prevents sludge buildup, reduces oil contamination, helps maintain proper engine internal pressure, and ultimately extends the life of your engine. Neglecting it can lead to a cascade of expensive problems. So, how do you know if your hidden hero is struggling? A common symptom of a clogged or faulty PCV valve is increased oil consumption. If the valve is stuck closed, pressure builds up in the crankcase, forcing oil past seals and gaskets. You might also notice a smoky exhaust, particularly blue smoke, indicating that oil is being burned. Other telltale signs of a failing PCV system include a rough or unstable engine idle. If the valve is stuck open, it can act like a vacuum leak, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. Conversely, if it's completely clogged, the excessive crankcase pressure can lead to oil leaks from various engine seals and gaskets, as the pressure seeks the path of least resistance. You might also hear a hissing sound if the valve or its hoses are cracked or disconnected. Fortunately, testing your PCV valve is often a simple procedure. For many older vehicles, you can remove the valve from its grommet while the engine is idling and place your thumb over the opening. You should feel strong suction. If there's little to no suction, the valve may be clogged or the vacuum source is weak. Another quick test involves shaking the removed valve. A healthy valve will typically rattle. If it doesn't rattle, it's likely stuck. Before you test or replace, you'll need to locate your PCV valve. It's usually a small, cylindrical or elbow-shaped component, often found on a valve cover or intake manifold, connected by a hose. Consult your vehicle's service manual for its exact location. Once found, inspect the valve itself and all associated hoses for cracks, blockages, or deterioration. Damaged hoses can be just as problematic as a faulty valve. Replacing the PCV valve is typically a straightforward DIY task for many vehicles. Once located, simply pull the old valve out of its grommet or unscrew it, disconnect any hoses, and install the new one in reverse order. It's always a good idea to also replace the grommet and inspect or replace the connecting hoses if they show signs of wear. This small investment can save you significant repair costs down the road. The PCV system, while often out of sight and out of mind, is undeniably a hidden hero in your engine's design. It plays a pivotal role in emissions control, engine longevity, and overall performance. By understanding its function, recognizing the symptoms of a fault, and performing simple, routine maintenance, you can ensure this crucial system continues to protect your engine and the environment for years to come. Don't overlook this vital component. Give your PCV system the attention it deserves.